Hey merbabies! I'm back. Y'all miss me? Do y'all miss me? Do y'all miss me? No? Yeah, I'm not talking to you anymore. Okay, I'm just kidding. Anyways, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a simple boy beat glam. I never do this on camera. I always do it off camera because it's nothing really too exciting. But since you guys been asking me on Instagram how to keep my skin flawless and stuff, so here it is. Here's the tricks and tips. So let's get to it. I feel like if I want to be extra, then I put my eyelashes, my eyeshadow, my lipstick, my highlight. And if I want to be extraordinary, extra, I do a really full face with full like drag makeup. But today I'm just going to do a simple makeup look. And for those who are new to my channel, hey girl, hey queens, hey kings. What's up, what's good? My name is Adrian Hills, and I basically just make makeup tutorials the way that I do it. I don't follow the rules, okay? Honestly, I don't. And I don't honestly care, because makeup has no rules, okay? And beauty has no gender either. So come in, welcome, grab your tea, grab everything that you want to chill with me. You can grab your PJs, okay? Because I'm over here with my PJs, my crop top, okay? So it's fine being comfortable in your own place, you know? I'm just so comfiness. Ooh, yes. Woo. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Not me. Anyways, let's get to the video. Look at my belly. My belly got skills, honey. Look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the brow by Anastasia, Beverly Hills Cosmetics. I'm trying to look natural. Now I'm not gonna be applying too much, cause honey, once the eyebrows are done, they look pretty okay. They look pretty natural. Just want it to be more dark, but that's fine. So what I do next is this is a new setting spray, honey. It's the Hangover 3-in-1. We're gonna test this out for a second and see what's gonna be popping. Just setting spray on. Doing my makeup while I'm working out. Good combination. So, oh my god, it's really tacky. That's good. Next, I'm gonna be covering my beard area. I'm gonna be using the new coverfx correcting stick. It's like a lipstick and it's so adorable. Look at this, it's so cute.
What?
I'm doing my video, leave me alone! Mommy!
More editing.
Mom! Mommy!
Yes.
Yeah, give it that back! Mom! Anyways, I'm gonna be using the coverfx correcting stick and color break. It's just like a little cute lipstick and I love it. Look. This is my first time using it, so we'll see how it works. So I did wax my face a little, but I'm gonna just don't like it. Hi, double chin, I see you. How are you today? Are you feeling yourself? Oh, I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna be using Makeupforever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. This is my holy grail. And oh my god, I'm running out. Come through, come on. It's a video after. Anyway, so since I'm going to really cover a little bit. Oh, she's got foundation on here. Oh my god. I'm gonna cover up my dark circles and a little bit of highlight around. And then done. Oh, ooh. I look so funny, but this is how I do my face when I want to do a void beat. So thank you so much for watching me do my makeup in bed. Anyway, yeah, this is the void beat. Basically, I just covered up my zits and my beard. So it's not that too much, but it is what it is. And it was still hard doing my makeup in bed. But the thing is, I really enjoyed it. It was really relaxing. I took my time. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Hopefully I won't be filming on my iPhone. I'll be filming with my camera and stuff, because sometimes there's stuff like this that happen. I have an event to go and I have to get ready and stuff. I'll be right back. Let me just put in my outfit and stuff, and I'll show you how I look like. Okay. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring that little door thingy, bell thingy, whatever. It's right there. You ring it and you get notified each time I film or I upload a video. And don't, oh, there was a fly here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am more active over there if you guys are interested. If not, then that's fine. I'm wearing my leather jeans, honey. Yes. Yes. They're very comfortable. Patty cake, and then there's how many pieces do you wish? Anyways, I gotta go, guys. I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll bring you guys along with me and see what's popping. But my family, it's so, like, I don't know. They like to have their personal life. So I may or may not be able to film, but I'll try, honey. Okay, I'll try. Remember to always slay and stay fiece. Yes.